Andamanku tiak kinihap matonu ihodong painula sumana memisok hinangasku Andamanku.
Today I would want to give my commentary on one of my favorite song. It's a Kadazan song which I composed during the time of COVID. You know, that was about 1.5 years ago, and I just felt that I'm inspired to write this song. This is a Kadazan song again, titled Isiaw Tonduku. Isiaw Tonduku means you are my woman. Now there's a kind of dual interpretation of this song. I am relating to the woman that I love, and I believe every man has a strong woman, a wife. And also I'm relating to my relationship with God, that He is the one who is inspiring me, protecting me, my spiritual growth, my spiritual needs, that my source is God, my Father in heaven. But I titled it Isiaw Tonduku because my wife has been an inspiration to me. There's a saying that behind every strong man lies a woman, and it's true. She has been an inspiration who is protecting me, who stand by me, especially in the time of COVID. You know, my family has suffered. We had COVID at one time 3 times in a year, but thank God that the Lord has given us a strong immune system that we are able to go through that. My wife got COVID, my daughter got COVID, myself got COVID early of the year, middle of the year, and even during Christmas. It's very challenging time during the time of COVID. We had a lot of quarantine to do. But that was the time when I composed this song, Isiaw Tonduku, you are my woman. The chorus is the same, but let me just highlight this to you. The first verse says that Andamanku. Andamanku, I remember. Tiakinihap matonu, the shining light of your eyes whenever I see you. Well, my wife got a wonderful eyes. Shining eyes. Ihodong paingula sumana. Well, whenever she's not happy with something, she's angry with something, but yet it's so cute, you know. Paingula sumana. Sumana is cute, and hodong is when she's angry. You know, to me, as a family man, there are many characters in life that I see in my family relationship, in my woman. Whether she's angry, she's happy, I was there. I can understand, and I don't want to fight. You know, I'm a man who listen a lot, good listening. It happened through so many struggle and experience we went through, because for almost 2 decades we've been together, so we understand the character. So Andamanku, I remember paingula sumana memisok hinangas nu, that kind of character is the one that can cover hinangas. Hinangas means I'm very stubborn. Whenever she see my stubbornness, she tend to get angry and attitudes, and it really calm down. Memisok hinangasku. It really calm down my stubbornness, you know. And second verse, andamanku, I remember, pinantod iti ginavonu. I remember how firm is your heart. How firm. Pinantod. Apantod mean very firm. You know, your heart is. Menuguvang hasu hodongku. Whenever you face my angerness, whenever I'm angry, he is very firm to face me. You know. So menuguvang hasu hodongku. Hasu is the hotness of my angerness, but mazak bihin nutosunu, through your soft word, through your words, you're able to tolerate the angerness that I have, and I can calm down. You know, man sometimes angry. I cannot deny that. Okay, that's the first verse, and the chorus goes like, "Day timpu modihin, minintahang ko." Now, in the time of modihin is actually quarantine. Like I told you, I composed this song during COVID. So, day timpu, in the time, there's a time during the quarantine time, many time, minintahang ko, you came. Now, I'm referring also not only to my family, to my woman, but also to God. That in the time of quarantine, when I suffered COVID, He came to me. You know, His presence is with me. God's presence is with me. Sangkuo giningo ginavon uriti. Oh, how wonderful is your heart. Giningo mean is beautiful, wonderful. Ginavo nuriti. Ginavo is a heart. How wonderful is your heart. Iziaw no I binabangku, iziaw no I binabangku. You are my light. It hokot do tinuvong in the pitch darkness of pitch dark, thick darkness. You are my light. Iziaw no binabang, the light. It hokot do tinuvong. Tinuvong is night, dark. And then iziaw husap hosokonku. Husap talks about hut or small house. To whenever heavy rain, hot sun, it is a place for you to come and just go to your hut to be protected from heavy rain and strong sun. So I say, Iziano, you are the hut where I can hide myself. Hosokon. Iziaw na husap hosokon ko. You are the hut where I can go and hide myself. You know, I'm trying to express that God is my hut, God is my house, my dwelling place, and also my wife is also very protective of me. He is like a hut to me. Minonitiu dalahan ko, minonitiu minonitiu is providing lamp and light to my way. You know, dalahan ko. Mamabang do vaza ko. The same thing, mamabang also is giving clear path of light to my way. Iziaw husap tundongon ko. So you are also the hut, the house, a place for me to rest. Tundongon, mundong is a Kadazan word for resting. Tundongon, a place to rest. And then finally, popotonong sunduvan tusap ginavo. Mean you become my medicine, the medicine of my heart that give me peace. My wife always there for me and it give me peace. Popotonong sunduvan. God is giving me tranquility and peace in my spirit, in my heart. It become the medicine that can heal my heart. And my wife do that, all right? And lastly, the second verse is andamanku iti kinodaw tupusnu. I remember how strong is your love. Upus tinupus is also care. Au ovai ko mamazada. It's very difficult for you to leave me. Au ovai mamazada, to leave me. You are stick to me. Sunung potu notobzu zo. Sometimes I'm experiencing failures and shortcoming. You know, Notob talks about a boat that sink, but I'm trying to express that when my life sink deeply, no tob, but you are there. You are so strong. Your love is okodo, kinodo, however, I mean, you clinging to me in sickness, in failures. You are there for me, And andaman ko sa bihin boss no. I remember also all the wonderful word of encouragement that you have. Bihin boss no. Bihin also is synonymously boss. Asasaw to ko da mibanta. Yes. Asasaw to ko mean we do often have quarrel together. Mibanta. Asasaw, so often that we have a conflict. That's the best word for mibanta is conflict, because asasaw to ko ng mibanta, we often had conflict nga tamoy mo tinoboy mo. But you are always understand and you persevere and you can stand. The tamoy mo tinoboy mo. Otoboy, I mean, you are always able to stand on it. So that's the second verse. So chorus. And lastly, oy kopusan ginawa ko, mean you are the love of my life. Hangad o sunduvan ko, the longing of my soul. Isiyaw tonduk ko, mean you are my woman. So enjoy to listen to these wonderful words. The melody is from my good friend Adrian Romero from Vastago Production. He allowed me to use his melody, and God bless you. Enjoy it. It's a wonderful song.
Andamanku tiak kini hap matonu ihodong painula sumana memisok hinangasku. Andamanku pinanto ditiki na bono monoku bang asuhodongku masabihin uto sundu. Ay timpung mo dihin minintahan ko sangko giningo ginabono diti isyaw no'y binabangku idhokot do tinubo isyaw usap o sokonku minonitiu do lahanku mamabang do bazaku isyaw usap tundongonku popotonong sunduban tusap ginabo. Andamanku itikino daw tupus no au ovay ko mamazada sundong potuno tobzo. Andamanku sobya bibihin do boos no asasaw to ko do mi banta natamay mo tinoboy no. Ay timpu do ngodihin mimintahan ko sangko giningo ginabono titi isyaw no'y binabangku idhokot do tinubo isyaw usap ko sokonku minonitiu do lahanku mamabang do bazaku isyaw usap tundongonku popotonong sunduban tusap kinabo. Oi kopusan ginavoku hangado sunduvanku Isiaw tonduku